Hello, everyone, and happy Friday. It has taken me a while to decide on how to best deliver this portion of our studies, and I'm sure that I'll incorporate more parts of this instruction in another segment. However, I would like us to have a starting point to launch us in the correct direction. We want to go up, not sideways, and definitely not spiraling down in our writing skills. So, here are a few short videos that you are required to watch to begin our process. As I've stated in our preliminary time together, or in other words, on our first day, writing is important, especially in this class and beyond. After you've watched the videos, please write a one-page essay on your thoughts of the storm on Capitol Hill. Then you're going to click on this link and write that essay and that storm on Capitol Hill that took place this past Wednesday. So these are the videos that you're going to be watching. Grammar heroes versus villains, subject-verb agreement, writing a good transition statement, and how to write a good paragraph. So after watching those videos, you're going to again use all that you've learned and write your one-page essay on your thoughts of the storm on Capitol Hill that took place on Wednesday. It was very chaotic and traumatizing. So in order to do that, you're going to, like the directions say, click on the link, which is here. It will allow you to make your own copy. And here is where your writing will begin. So please be sure to construct your paragraphs using correct grammar, subject-verb agreement, supporting sentences, and details that you learned through watching the video. Of course, if you need refreshers or reminders, you can always go back and rewatch the videos. Don't forget to submit the assignment. It is due by the end of your class period today. Have a great weekend, and I look forward to reading what you stated and seeing you on Monday.